So we've got a Nissan Note for lease return. The car was originally leased for 2 years, but it was extended to 3.5 years by just taking it as it went. And on top of that, it was leased from brand new, and it's a full lease with all the bells and whistles, meaning that it comes with all the servicing. Right, so generally it's in very good condition, but I'm going to go around and show a few bits that may need addressing or may not. Right, okay, so front of the car's all fine. Little scratch underneath this bumper. It's not structural, it is just scuffed from there to there. Not too much of a worry for a recharge, to be honest, but you know, it may be charged, but it's unlikely. But if it is, it's not likely to be much because it hasn't damaged the bumper, it's just scuffed it. Right, we've got a previous repair here. It's not a bad repair, but the man has scotched this, we think. They call it scotching, but he's roughed this up so the paint can go on it and then hasn't painted it. So it needs buffing to rectify that. And, you know, this is also a little bit what we call orange peely because he's done a repair up here. The repair up there is 90%, and I think that should be okay, but I'm not the judge and jury. But there's a little notch there. But, you know, it had a little scuff here from the barrier, so that was repaired. But when he's blended into here, it's a little bit orange peely, so that's going to be wet sanded and machined so that it's a little bit more like the original panels. Right, tyres and wheels, all of them are all okay. It's had a new set of tyres and they're proper quality tyres, so that's good. Near side mirror's okay, seal's okay. We've got a little dent in the roof, nothing serious, something from a tree, but you can see there in the video it's a little dent. Inside, the two front seats could do with a little clean, but nothing serious. It's been well looked after. We've got a little scratch on the dashboard there, very, very minor. Hopefully that one's okay. Locking wheel nuts here. Lady's going to bring the spare key. Right, now we're looking at the rear door. That's all good. Nobody's sat in the rear seats since the car's been around, so that's fine. All these panels are all good. The boot has the kit in here for pumping it up the tyre, but it doesn't have a jack or anything. Rear bumper's had some respray work, needs a little bit of wet sanding and flatting as well, but nothing serious. It's quite a good repair. Tailgate, there's nothing wrong with the tailgate, that's all good. Rear lights are good. Driver's side, we've got a light scratch here, unlikely to be charged, but it is there. Also, we've got a little scratch on the roof here, which is unlikely to be charged, but it goes from there to there, so we put a bit of tape there, but it's very, very light. Round to the driver's side, a couple of little dents in the door shut here. Door panels are okay. This is just very, very small dents. I would say arguably below 10 mil. Right, seal's okay, driver's door's okay. Driver's in the carpet down here, there's a sticker, a little tiny bit of wear, but no abuse. It's just the way the carpet sits around there, so it's got a little bit of wear, but it's not a hole. Dashboard's all right. And we get round to the mirror. The housing's had a little crack, and it's cracked a little bit on the lens, but nothing serious. It's all in good order, but the casing is broken. Looking at the front wing, that's all right. And then we've got a stone chip on the glass, which is absolutely tiny, and it is only the surface, so it's so small that you couldn't repair it. I put a pound next to it, just so you can see scale of size. Right, all done. Quick note, meaning note. The service history is in here, and it's all been done. It has got a service contract anyway, but it's all done and scheduled, and the book is in here as well. So that's all good. Fantastic.